I've spent over $50,000 on online courses. Crazy, I know. And here's the part no one likes to admit. Most of them didn't fail because the information was bad. They failed because real life got in the way. Hey, I'm Annie. Welcome back to Raising Freedom. I'm a mom of a 1.5-year-old boy. And if you're new here, this channel is about helping parents build real income that fits real family life without burnout or guru hype. And today I want to be very honest with you, because if you've ever thought, why do I keep buying courses but nothing actually sticks? This video is for you. For years, I did what everyone online said to do. I bought the courses, I joined the programs, I followed the step-by-step plans. And technically, most of them were fine. But here's what no one tells you. Information alone does not build income. The execution of it does. And execution is where most parents get stuck. Here's why most courses don't work for moms. Problem wasn't motivation, it wasn't intelligence, and it definitely wasn't lack of effort. The real problem was this. Everything was built assuming I had unlimited time, unlimited energy, and could do everything myself. That's not real life when you're a mom. So eventually I stopped asking, what's the best course? And I started asking, what actually makes execution sustainable? I'll save you $50,000 and tell you the 3 things that actually made the difference. Thing number 1 was better systems, not more ideas. What finally worked wasn't another shiny object. It was actually something I had already done in the past, but it didn't work for me because the system was too complex and required too much of my time. So this time I chose a simple system that didn't require me to create products, build tech from scratch, or reinvent the wheel. High-ticket affiliate marketing worked because the system already existed. The proof, the sales, it all already existed. My job wasn't to build everything, it was to plug in and show up in small pockets of time every day. Okay, and thing number 2, support that removed friction. This part is huge and almost no one talks about it. Execution gets harder when everything feels heavy. One of the biggest breakthroughs for me was removing friction, not adding effort. For example, I realized I didn't need to become a social media expert or a video editor. What I needed was a video editor. That's when I started using a service called videocraft.io and outsourced the work. Instead of spending hours editing, learning software, and giving up daily because it felt overwhelming, I could record, hand it off, and move on with my life. That one shift alone helped me stay consistent. And consistency is what actually compounds. This is the stuff courses don't teach you. This is the extra stuff that you have to discover on your own after failing multiple times over several years. So this is me saving you from that. If something is too hard and it is making you want to quit every day, outsource that work. Figure out how you can outsource it. I promise you it is worth it. And if you're in the market for a video editor, I will link my amazing, affordable editor below in the description. Okay, and thing number 3, building around real life. The final thing that worked, I stopped building businesses for the version of me without kids, with no responsibilities and unlimited time. And I started building for nap times, or when grandma was watching my son, or after bedtime. I built in small pockets of time, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. That's all it took. Because when your systems support your real life, you stop quitting. And that's when things finally started working. So here's the truth. Courses don't fail people, friction does. Overwhelm does. Trying to do everything yourself does. The moms who succeed aren't smarter. They just choose better systems. They get support where it matters. And they make it work in small pockets of time rather than thinking they can get it all done at once, or comparing themselves to everybody else online. So if you're a parent who wants income but doesn't want another course collecting dust, or another system you never finish, or another plan that only works in theory, that's what Raising Freedom, this channel, is about. Real income, real life, and real support. So if you're a mom or dad sitting there thinking, okay, but how do I actually do this? Before you click off, I want to be really clear about something. I'm not here to give you motivation or another idea you never act on. Everything I've shared in this video only started working for me after I saw the full systems laid out step by step. So I'm really glad you're watching this video, but if you really want this to work, your next step is to watch the free training that walks you through the exact path I used to start making around $500 a day as a stay-at-home mom with no products, no phone calls, no clients, and no doing everything yourself. It's not a highlight reel, it's not theory, it's the actual process. So if this video made sense to you, the training will give you clarity. So click the link in the description, enter your best email, and watch the free class. And if you're still deciding which path fits your life best, there's a second link below where you can see all 3 programs I personally recommend for parents, so you can choose based on your time, energy, and goals. And if you liked this video or you have any questions, click subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment below. I always try to respond personally.